Hello all, Joe Sajo here. I know a few of you had some difficulty embedding your YouTube videos using Kaltura, so I just wanted to provide a quick little video tutorial showing you exactly what we're looking for you to do here, okay? So right now I'm inside the video assignment forum, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Thread, okay? Uh, and this is where I think a lot of the issues tend to happen with regard to the text editor box here. Okay, so sometimes what's happening is you might not have all the rows of the tools that are on the palette enabled on your text editor box. Okay, there's a little chevron icon here in the right hand corner, and if you select it, it'll drop down the other two rows on the palette. Okay, so a lot of times, and I don't know why it's not defaulted to this, but a lot of times people can't see the other two rows on the palette. So just make sure that you drop down the little chevron icon right there, and that should give you access to the rest of the tools on the palette. And what we're looking for you to do is select the mashups tool here that's on the third row of the palette. So there's a little drop down menu there. And then you can go ahead and select Kaltura Media, which is listed at the bottom, okay? So I'm going to select Kaltura Media, and it's going to open up my video repository, and it's just taking a few seconds to upload. And so here it is. Here's my video media repository, and I'm going to go ahead and select the Add New button in the upper right-hand corner, and it drops down a menu, and I'm going to go ahead and select YouTube, okay? So when I do that, it takes me to a page. It gives me a little disclaimer, agree to the terms and conditions, that's fine. And now it's going to say, okay, what's the video page link for your YouTube video? So I have YouTube open on another tab here, so I'm going to open that up right away. And then I'm just going to make sure that I highlight and copy the URL that's at the top of the page. Okay, and once I have that copied, I can go back into Blackboard, and let me find my Kaltura right there. Okay, that box is popped back up, and I can go ahead and paste my YouTube video link directly in there. Okay, and I can even select the preview button if I like to make sure that it's the correct video. And it takes a second. And that's the video that I selected. So I'm going to head now and just say save and embed right here, okay? And it's going to take a moment or two to do that. And now it takes me back to the text editor box, and I can see this yellow box in here. And this is the second part where people get tripped up, is they don't see the video there and they think something's wrong, and that's not the case. Your video is actually there. Let me just put in a title here, Zoom for Beginners. Okay, and if you want to see, make sure that that video is in there. There's actually a little preview button here, again in the upper right-hand corner of the text editor palette right here, and you can click on preview, and it'll populate, and then you can see that the video that you selected is there. Okay, so don't get tripped up with the yellow box. That just means that your video's there. And then if we go ahead and now and hit submit, it'll take us back into the discussion forum, and we can go ahead, select it, and we see that our video has embedded nicely right into our discussion board post there, okay? So those are the steps for embedding your YouTube videos into your discussion board posts, and I hope this helps, and I hope now you're all able to post your videos in the discussion board, okay? Take care.